Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your exterior left-hand mirror assembly on a 2009 Honda Accord. First thing we're going to do is we're going to pop off this cap here that has the speaker in it and just use a small flathead screwdriver, and we're going to pry between the cap here and then the black trim right here. And once you get that popped off, we need to unplug it by pushing on the tab right there on the wire plug and pulling it out. And next we're going to unplug the mirror itself, and the tab is on the bottom here. Push on it and pull out. And then next I'm going to take a 8mm wrench. I'm using a ratcheting wrench to make it easier. You don't have to use a ratcheting wrench, but it is a lot quicker. And we're going to start with this nut right here in the corner. And you need to be careful with this one because of where it's at. It can fall in behind the door panel pretty easily. So I like to get it started with the wrench and then just do the rest with my fingers. But you just gotta try to keep 2 fingers on it at all times. That way when it's off, it doesn't fall in behind the door panel. All right, so we got that. And then these next 2 here are pretty easy to get out. Just use a 8mm socket and zip them off. Now the mirror is pretty much loose, but it's not going to be able to take it off because these 2 tabs right here are still holding it in. So you want to place one hand over the mirror, kind of holding it on, but while you're holding it on, you also want to put some outward pressure on it, and then take a flathead and you're just going to push on the top tab and then the bottom tab, and then just pull out on the mirror and it just slips right out. And that's it guys. Your mirror is off. Thanks for watching.